Good morning! Today is Wednesday. It's a market day today, guys. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mabili natin doon. Kunin natin yung ating susi. Lahat naka-off. Lahat naka-off na. Sana hindi talaga maulan ngayon, guys. Kakainis to. Ang taba ko tingnan. Ipaprank ko si Mr. mamaya. Hindi ko siya papansinin. Kasi sabi niya, mag-enjoy ka pag umalis ka. Yung magdadrama ako mamaya, i-prank natin si Mr. mamaya. Hindi, ayaw pa naman niya yung hindi siya papansinin kasi nasana yan siya na pagdating, hahalik yan sa akin. Maglambing yan. Tapos, mamaya, hindi ko siya papansinin. Kailangan matago natin yung ating cellphone kasi ang galing yan magtingin-tingin kung nakarecord ako or hindi. Lagot ka sa akin mamaya, Mr. We're home. Hindi na ako nagbablog doon kasi malamig at saka ng ulan. At ito yung aking nabili doon. Naglibot-libot kami sa market ba? Sa market ng Bari. Yung pang-cover sa pagkain. Ito lang guys, yung mga kunti-kunti lang na mga kulang namin dito ni Sean. Tapos yung ganito, hanger para sa mga medyas, ganun. And nakabili din ako ng aming gamit sa kuan. Kanang paglaba ka ng kumbaga daw ni sa Pilipinas. Tapos, nakabili ako ng another spice garlic granules garlic yung kung magluluto ako. Meron akong mga more spices here. Meron na tayong dagdag collection. Charot, dagdag collection pa. Ayan, meron na tayong mga ganyan-ganyan. Tapos bumili pala ako guys ng frame kasi wala kaming frame ni Shuna. Malaki yung picture namin sa kasal. Meron akong dalawa dito. Katulad yung sa kay mother. Di ba nakita nyo sa vlog ko kung nanood kayo. May dalawa akong picture doon sa kanilang bahay. Tapos dito din. Ayan. Meron akong dalawa dyan. Kaso gusto ko ng yung malaki ba na picture namin. So nagpa-develop din ako doon. Abangan doon kami ni mga naglibot-libot. Ito. Hindi na siya na-laminate lagi kasi hindi ko alam kung pwede ba i-laminate. Yan, yung ganyang picture namin ni Sean. Diba, ganda? Ang ganda ko dyan, char. Hindi, gusto ko kasi yung picture na to. Kaya, nagano ako na gusto ko to siya i-frame. Para meron kaming malaking picture. Kasi gustong-gusto ko yung picture na to. Mukha tayong char. Mukha tayong dito, princess. Yan. Surprise natin si Sean guys. Pero i-prank ko muna siya. Pwede siya guys tayo. Pwede siya nakatayo. Pero pwede din siya isabit kasi meron siyang sabitan dito. Kaso nga lang meron ding mga dikit-dikit si Mister. So yun siguro yung gagawin ko kasi doon ko yan ilagay sa wall. Guys, dyan ko kayo ilagay kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilagay kasi pag dito lang sa kusina or dyan sa my luggage or dito sa my TV nakita niya kaagad. So siguro dito pag ganun niya dito hindi siguro niya agad makita, no? Kailangan natin just konti kasi hindi makita yung ulo natin dyan. Pagaling niya dito. Pasok. Kaso nga yung ating mic, mahina. Siguro kasi malayo. Parang nakapatid ako na siya. Pati na lang tayo. Kumakain tayo na. Stick ko.
Nice, thank you. Very good there. Oh yeah. Huh? What's matter? Huh? What's matter? Choco sticks. You had a good day? Come on. Oh my god. What? Huh? Come on, what's going on? Huh? Come on, tell me. What's going on? Huh? What's the matter? Come on. Okay. Okay, Stinky. So what did you get today? Huh?
Stop it! Don't throw in my vlog.
Not a blog. You're sitting there, right, ignoring me, right? I don't even get a kiss. I don't get anything, right?
Why you ruining my vlog?
That's no blog.
I mean, that's not vlog. You just arrived.
Yeah, exactly. Not seen you all day.
Well, you want to turn it off.
Because
What?
you sat there and I wanted to know what's wrong with you, okay?
Why? Because you don't get my attention.
Yeah, no attention, right? Oh my goodness.
I'm vlogging ignoring you.
Oh, kick your ass, lady.
I can't ignore. I can't put anywhere my phone. Oy.
You've been out all day, right? And I'm worried about you. Okay.
Ay, nakalog
Oh,
ni mo.
you make me mad. You make me crazy. Come on.
Good. Well, come on.
I want hugs. And kisses. Come on.
Boy, I cannot prank you.
Prank me.
Sorry.
That's better.
How's your day?
Not too bad, darling. Busy. But it's better now.
That's why I didn't reply your messages to the text.
Ah,
Thank you.
yeah. So, so what made you do a blog like this? Trying to wind me up?
I didn't try to wind you up.
Huh?
Because I like to wind you
I
up.
know you do.
Sorry. Coffee?
No, you chill. You chill with your blog, mate.
You're so annoying. Uy,
Why?
I cannot prank you.
Yeah. You have me
Hindi
worried.
talaga siya ma-prank kasi pag hindi ko inimikan, malaki na yung 1 minute.
Sat there eating the chocolate stick.
Oh my god.
Give me that jacket now. I'm moving now.
You're moving now because you're... Because what?
Because I know you're okay.
Ayun talaga guys, so hindi ko siya kinausap. Uy. You're so kuan man, uy. Hindi talaga ma-prank-prank to. Sit down. I got surprised because I prank you.
Oh, good.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close. Open. Did you like it?
Yeah.
I want a bigger picture of us this one because I really like it. Look. Yeah. Look like pretty kissing. I want to put it there in the wall.
Yeah, you put
Can
it
you
on
put
the
it in the wall?
wall.
No, no, because you can see.
Yeah.